Hello crystals, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will talk about types of muscle. In this video, I will explain you types of muscle in very easy way so you can easily remember this. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So in our book, types of muscles can be divided according to the striations, means there is a presence or absence of cross striations. Depending upon the control, means muscle is voluntary or involuntary, and depending upon situation, means those are skeletal, cardiac or smooth. So sometimes we will get just confused about it, but don't worry, I will clear it. So for our convenience, only remember three types, means skeletal, cardiac and smooth. Before we learn more about that, first of all we should know that why these muscles are called skeletal, cardiac or smooth. So the skeletal means it's related to our skeleton, means to our bones. So these muscles are connected to the bones, so that's why they called as the skeletal muscle. And as simple as cardiac means related to our heart. So cardiac muscles are those which are connected to the heart, means they working as only heart muscles and in help in the heart to pump. And the smooth muscles are which they present in our visceral organs or related to it. For example, smooth muscle fibers are present in wall of the organs like esophagus, stomach and the intestine in GI tract. It also present in our other systems like excretory, respiratory, reproductive system and in the circulatory system. I hope you get this. Now moving on further, how do we remember which muscles are voluntary and which are involuntary? This is very simple. For example, our skeletal muscle like biceps, it is voluntary muscle, means it is in our control. Or in other words, when we think that I have to contract my muscle, it is possible. But on opposite side, we cannot control our heart muscles because they are not in our control. Means for example, if I think I have to stop my cardiac muscle, but that is not possible because we don't have any control over it. We cannot contract or relax our cardiac muscles by our own. So it is also same for our smooth muscles also. For example, when you eat food and it is swallowed and pass through our esophagus and go to the stomach. Now, if I think my wish is not to digest food today, I will digest it tomorrow. But that is not possible because our GI system and smooth muscles are keep doing their work because they are not in our control. I hope you get it and it makes sense to you. Now the last, which muscles are striated and which are non-striated. Striated means muscles which has a large number of cross striations, means transverse lines. Cardiac and the skeletal muscles have these striations, so they are belong to this category. And the smooth muscles don't have any striations, so they are non-striated muscle. In this picture, you can easily understand and can see the difference between skeletal muscle, smooth muscles and the cardiac muscles. I hope it clear to all, but last time let's revise it. So there are mainly three types of muscle, which are the skeletal, cardiac and the smooth muscles. Muscles which are in our not in our control are called the involuntary muscles, and the muscles which are in our control are called the voluntary muscles. And the muscles which have a cross striations, which is called the striated muscles, and which have not striation, which are it is called the non-striated muscles. I hope you get all this and clear all concept about muscles type. So if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Your response it motivate me, so please subscribe my channel and please keep supporting.